welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn quick sorting method. Okay, so in the playlist of sorting, this is the last video, quick sort. So we are explaining in quick sort in the playlist, like we are explaining in very fast way, because to understand these videos are mainly for those persons who are studying day before the exam and wanted to pass in the exam, right? So I'm just explaining the basics so that you can implement that in exam. Okay, and I'm providing the PDFs in the description. You go through that and algorithm will be there at that time. Okay, so in exam, right, you have to write the algorithm also. I'm not explaining algorithm because it will be very complicated. So let us go to the topic of quick sorting. So it is also known as, it is also like in med sort we used that divide and conquer procedure, right? In this quick sort also we will use the divide and conquer procedure. So let me take an example of some elements. Okay, so 10, 16, 8, 12, enough. Okay, let me explain you. Okay, and 15, these are the array and it contains 5 elements. Okay, so in this quick sort, what we have to do, see, first element, let it be the pivot element. What is that? Pivot element. Okay, so it will be the low one. Okay, so do one thing, take one extra element, take this infinity, high value, and let it denote by h. So it is the I index and it is the j index. Okay, now what you will do, you will check. So our topic is like the lesser elements will be on left side and the greater elements will be on right side, right? So I will check whether the pivot element is less than this element or not, and the j will check whether the pivot element is greater than this element is not. Okay, so I should be greater than 10 and j should be less than 10. Okay, so see, I will check go to this index. So I checks whether 16 is greater than 10 or not. Here 16 is greater than 10, so I will stop here. But what j will do, j will go to this place. Okay, j will go to this place. 15, it checks whether 15 is less than or 10 or not. No, right? So it won't stop in this place and it will go to this place. It checks whether 12 is less than 10 or not. No, so it goes to this place. It checks whether 8 is less than 10 or not. Yes, so it will go to this place. So these two places will be interchanged. Okay, 10, 8, 16, 12, 15 and infinity. Okay, so where the j value is now, j, and here a. So after that I will go to next place. Here checks whether 16 is greater than 10 or not. Yes, and I will here stay here in this place, and it checks whether j is less than or 10 or not. Yes, j stays in this place. So you can stop when both I and j are crossed, right? You can stop there. So then what you have to do, you have to send the minimum, like the least one, to this place. So 8, 10, 16, 12, 15 and it is infinity. So similarly what you have to do, this position will be fixed, the least position. So now this will be the second element, will be the pivot element. So what we are doing, first we are taking the first element as the pivot element and we are comparing the each places. We are putting the pivot element in such a place that the left side, the elements which are in the left side of pivot element should be less than 10, like less than pivot element. The elements which are right side to the pivot element is greater than the pivot element. So first we are doing that. After that we are getting two blocks, which is less than pivot element and right than pivot element. Similarly we have to do divided. We have divided it. After that we have to do for the same process to that also. So this is a big process. So I am providing the PDF link below the description. Please go to that. I have provided sorting also, like algorithm also there. So it will be very useful for exam. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please do subscribe to getting latest videos. Okay. Thank you.